Hello everyone, here is my BMC video on Output Bioscience. Bioscience is pioneering biologically aware generative AI to finally understand complex biological system. Our new generative AI architecture can handle extremely long, non-linear, fragmented, and high dimensional data of biological system. We are building large biological models that can generate breakthrough medicines and transform the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent disease. Here is the 9 components of Output Bioscience. Key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segment, key resources, channels, cost structure, revenue streams. Key partners: medical supply company, other hospitals, government organization, health insurance companies. Key activities: first class customer experience, training for new joiners, database customers. Value proposition: first class treatment with enough medications, giving patient best experience while hospitalization. Make sure patients are good in health before leaving hospital. E-services, customer relationship, outreach team, customer data handling, channels, media, commercials, newspaper ads, follow-up emails. Customer segment: adult, children, senior citizen. Cost structure: equipments, employees, maintenance of e-services, utilizers, marketing, supplies, revenue streams, billing for e-service, insurance, payment plans.